Hi guys, so let's discuss about the most asked question after the answer key is that cutoff. Okay, as we are making videos and I'm posting stuff about how to prepare for interviews, so everyone is very curious to know the expected cutoff. According to me, this will be the range for cutoff. Okay, this will be the range for cutoff, but it can be plus minus 10. That means for me, according to me, 280 it can be okay. From 280 or 270 for general category it can start. For EWS it can be from 240 to 230. Okay, for OBC it can be 265. For SC category it can be 230 around or 220 around, and for ST category it can be 210 or 200 around something. Okay, so yeah, this is the cutoff to clear the exam, right? This was the last year's cutoff. Okay, this was the last year's cutoff, but why I am saying 270, 280, 240, 230? Because seats are doubled, we know that. So maybe they can lower down some sort of cutoff. Paper, well, according to me, was very much expected. Yeah, I know it was lengthy, it was clinical oriented, some image based questions were asked, I know that, but still many topics were repeated. I believe that certain topics were very much UPSC type. Okay, so those were very scoring. Certain controversial questions are there, which always they provide you with that. Next very important thing is to prepare for UPSC interview. If you are getting 290 plus, if you are getting this cutoff, I think you are safe to go. I think you should prepare for interview round also. I made a video on that. Part 1 is already uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can watch that. That's my first YouTube video. Second YouTube video, I would like to suggest you how to fill your DAF form, because this form is very important. You need to understand there will be one IS officer. Okay, there will be OBGY, surgery, medicine faculty. Okay, so they will ask you certain questions. These people will ask you generally questions about the about the protocols, about management, about the diagnosis, about various medical emergencies. But this IS officer person can focus on DAF. Okay, whatever you will fill. Suppose if you will fill that in your college, you used to sing, you used to dance, you used to perform Kathak, you used to perform certain sort of classical dance. So they will ask questions regarding that. So whatever you will fill, you should know about that topic also. And one more very important thing I would like to tell you is that don't criticize government there if they ask you about any question, because this year, like paper leak is one of the hot topics. So I believe that they can ask questions about this also. Maybe they can ask you. You don't have to get very impulsive about that. You don't have to blame government for any sort of things. You have to keep your mouth shut. You have to express that yeah, government is trying to make reforms, they are doing well, but we have to be more vigilant about it, and what steps according to you more can be taken. You have to tell them. The paper leak bill is already passed. Apart from this, what all measures you can take, you can enumerate them. So you don't have to blame government for any health policy also if it is not favoring. And also I'm again and again saying you have to behave like an officer, like you are already a government officer. You need to maintain a good eye contact, you need to maintain a good smile, you have to be confident even if you don't know anything about, or you forgot about any medical emergency, or on that spot you can't even understand, or you can't recall any answer. You have to give, you don't have to murmur or lose confidence and get nervous. They are checking your confidence, they are checking how you can be patient enough while during this interview round also. This is not a viva, this is a personality test. So keep all these things in mind, and I'll make another video to discuss more about interview. Till then, this is the cutoff range I'm suggesting: 270, 280 for general. EWS I'm suggesting 240, 250. For OBC it can be approximately 265. For SC it can be 230, 220. For ST it can be 210 to 200. All the best. Let's hope for the answer key to be released soon, and the result will be announced in September. I hope second week or first week, let's see. So yeah.